Everyone talks about feeling is the secret. But what if you're feeling it wrong this entire time? This isn't positive thinking. It's not visualizing harder. It's a precise emotional calibration most people completely miss. And that calibration is the difference between wishing and instant manifestation. You've heard Neville Goddard phrase 1,000 times. Feeling is the secret. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people aren't actually feeling anything. They're thinking about the feeling, analyzing the feeling, trying to intellectually understand it. But manifestation doesn't respond to thinking. It responds to embodiment. So ask yourself, are you truly feeling it real? Or are you just thinking about the idea of feeling it? Positive thoughts won't do it. Affirmations alone won't do it. You make the quantum leap when you move from wishful thinking to sensory experience. You're not saying, I will be loved. You are feeling what it feels like to be loved. When you embody the end result, your subconscious accepts it as reality. And when the subconscious accepts, the physical world obeys. Here is where people either unlock everything or block themselves. You must create a scene that feels alive. Engage all 5 senses. What do you hear in your desired reality? What do you see? What textures do you feel? What smells or sounds belong to that moment? And most important, what does your body feel like? What does your breathing do? That is the emotional signature your subconscious responds to. Close your eyes. Imagine the scene where your desire is already fulfilled. Now adjust the sensory details. Those details are the bridge between fantasy and creation. The true secret isn't a fleeting moment of belief. It's a sustained emotional tone. Not a high vibration all day, but a returning to the feeling. You drift away? Return. Your mood drops? Return. Someone annoys you? Return. Every return reinforces the new reality, and your subconscious starts treating it as the default. When emotional calibration is stable, results appear instantly, not because reality changed, but because you did. Here's Neville Goddard blueprint. Feel the result as already done. Make the feeling sensory rich, one new detail each time. Return to the feeling throughout the day. Every return strengthens the state. Drop the how. Your only job is the state. Let the physical world reorganize itself. It always does. Feeling is the secret. Because feeling is the signal. And when your signal is clear, the universe responds instantly. Not someday. Not soon. But now.